Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert EML to Maildir. Search on Google to cover EML converter wizard. Click on download. Install now. Click on Select Files option to select your EML files from a folder. Click on Select Folders option to select folders containing EML files. Select EML files folder. Check the file. Click on Maildir. Select Destination folder. File naming option. Trail version limitation. Buy or activate product license here. Saving log. Open destination folder for output. Converted Maildir files.